Hi, I'm Eugene, and welcome to the first devlog of Kindle in Dark. Last month, I had to come up with a new project that I will be working on for the next couple of years. My last game was a detective puzzle game, and although I still love mystery and detective games, I wanted to create something different this time. To be more specific, I wanted to make something that involved more actions and challenges. But I also couldn't give up on storytelling and world building because that was also what I loved most in games. So after some brainstorming, Kindle in the Dark is what I came up with. A suspenseful point-and-click survival game like This War of Mine, but mixed with high-paced dungeon crawler and boss battles set in an apocalyptic world. In the game, you wake up as the sole survivor of a massacred underground city. Having no memory left, your only chance of survival is through gathering information left by the dead, including identifying the threats that killed mankind and avoiding them on your way to the surface. You can check the link in the description below to read the full brainstorming process on my blog. So right after I had the brief idea, I started creating a demo version of the game. The first thing I did was setting up the project in Godot. Since the game needed an efficient way to deal with mouse-click inputs, I thought using C++ to create a module to handle input events would help optimize the game and be useful when porting the game to consoles later. And I can learn C++ along the way, right? So I set up GD extension for a C++ binding. Turns out C++ is too difficult to straight write practical code as a beginner, and GD extension is not a good place to start. After many failed attempts that got me to nowhere, I changed my plan to mainly using GD script for the demo while studying C++ on the side. And this is the progress I made so far. First, I created a particle that releases on mouse clicks and shows the location of the mouse click. Next, I created the player and the basic tile map using this free asset, which is linked in the description below. But I soon realized the proportions of the tile sets didn't match the proportions needed for the navigation. So I made a simple floor tile with the desired proportions. I then created the code and animations for the basic player movements. So now it looks like this. Now that the basic controls for the gameplay is ready, next I will add ladders to climb up and down, and a navigation feature to automatically find the closest path, just like in This War of Mine. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!